Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to convert Notepad text file to PDF. Save the file to text file. Click File, click Print, select Microsoft Print to PDF, click Apply, click Print. Type file name. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.